Hello everyone, welcome back. If Google search not working on Safari app, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to launch App Store and search for Safari and update the Safari app if the update is available. Then launch Settings on Journal and tap Software Update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. Then go back to Journal and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. We have to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm. Now go back to Settings, scroll and tap Safari. We have to scroll again and tap Clear History and Website Data and tap again Clear History and Data to confirm. After that, force close all the app data running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That what you have to do, launch Settings again, tap on Journal and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm. That's it. By doing these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.